Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming something very exciting for me anyway. I love watching Disney mystery pin pack unpacking videos on YouTube, and as most of the videos seem to be US folk because it's easier and cheaper to get the packs in America or Hong Kong, I have just watched in anticipation of the day that I could eventually go to Walt Disney World or afford to have some shipped over. But I was just looking on eBay and found a seller in Cornwall that had them for a reasonable price with free shipping. So I decided I'd get myself a few packs and share them on this channel, because I figured if I love watching those kinds of videos, then I'm sure there might be another one or two people that might enjoy the same thing. And I also just really love Disney, so I thought that it would be something cool and Disney related to share as well. So I have to share with you today the World of Evil pin collection. You get the 16 in a series and you get 5 in a pack. And I'll just show you the back quickly. So here is a quick better look at the ones you get in the pack. I also have the Tsum Tsum, I think this is series 1, but it doesn't actually say on the pack, but I'm sure when I bought it, it was series 1. So I'll just show you the back quickly as well on that one. Again, a little overview of what you get in the pack. So the last pack I have to share is, I think this is called the Icon pack. It doesn't have a name on it, but I'm sure that's what it's called. But again, you get 16 designs in the series and 5 pins in the pack. I'll just show you the back quickly. I think these are such a cool design. I really like that they're in like the Mickey shapes. So first up, I'm going to open the World of Evil, because this is probably my favourite of the 3. I'm really hoping for Maleficent, or the Evil Queen from Snow White, Hades, Jafar, Cruella, the Queen of Hearts. Honestly, I'd be pretty much happy with any of these. So okay, we get into them. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit there. These were actually, I might as well just cut the whole top off. These don't come in the blind bags. I know if you get the mystery boxes, they come in black bags inside. These ones you just kind of reach in and see. So I'm just going to reach in and pull them out one at a time. Oh, it's the Queen of Hearts! Yay, I really wanted this one. I love Alice in Wonderland. And this one is super cute. I will do a little close-up in a minute as well. So next is, oh, I forgot what his name is. He's the guy from The Hunchback of Notre Dame. I'm gonna have to find out what his name is now.
Here are some pictures that match.
Frollo. Cloud Frollo. Forgot what his name was. Oh, he's actually really cute. Okay. This is really fun. Oh, this is something Stroley. So next up, I am going to do the Disney icons, and I would really like Jack and Sally, Buzz, Woody, Marie, Stitch. I mean, I pretty much would like any of these if I'm honest. So, Who are we getting first? Yes! Jack! Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Like, the whole pack was worth it now. Second up is Pinocchio. Oh, it's so cute. Third, Mickey. Gotta get a Mickey pin in a Disney collection. Next up is Minnie. Yes. Oh, I got Mickey and Minnie. And the last one. Oh, Marie. Oh, I love them. Oh my god, that pack was so good. I think I did really well on that one. I pretty much got like 4 of the ones I definitely would have wanted, and Pinocchio. And Pinocchio is super cute. So, oh my god, I'm really happy with those. And the last set is the Tsum Tsums. And who would I like in these? I would really like Stitch, Mickey Minnie, Eeyore, Chip or Dale, Daisy or... I would like any of them. Any of them would be good. So let's cut it. Oh, okay. These ones are in the black bags. Interesting. Okay, so these are what I meant by the ones in the boxes come in black bags. So I've accidentally cut this one. Who am I getting? Goofy! Goofy's hat looks yellow. I'm sure his hat's green. Oh, he's so cute. Happy with that one. So next up, I'm gonna have to cut these little bags now. Scissors. So much easier. So next up is Donald. Oh, Donald is so cute. Oh, I love him. Oh, he'll go super cute with Goofy. Next up. Oh. Eeyore. Oh, Eeyore is so cute. I used to be obsessed with Eeyore stuff when I was a lot younger. Like, I collected so many like plushy soft toys. It's so cute. Look at his little tuft of hair. 2 more left. I feel like I've had just as much fun filming this video as I do like watching these videos. So I think I'm gonna have to get myself some more of these. Oh, this is Tinkerbell. She's so cute. You can tell from her little hair. She's probably not one of the best ones I would have wanted to get, but she is cute. And lastly, please be Stitch, or Minnie, or Mickey. Liz. Mickey Mouse. I got 2 Mickey pins. Yay! Oh, it's so cute. They're really, really good quality as well. I'll just do some little close-ups now.